Okay, this is 6-130, bimanual grasp, distal forearm hand, medial to lateral, lateral to medial, medial to lateral, or medial to lateral, or lateral to medial glide, or medial to lateral, lateral to medial tilt. So on this one, the patient is going to be seated with arm and slight forward flexion, palm facing down. The doctor is going to be standing facing towards the patient. I guess facing the lateral aspect of the patient. I'm actually going to stand on this side so the video can see a little bit better. Wasn't thinking on that one. So palm facing down, arm and slight forward flexion. The segmental contact is going to be the distal aspect of the radius and the ulna, and then inferior hand, or I guess out. I guess this would be outside hand would be contacting over the metacarpal. So on this one, we're going to assess fine styloid processes, come down here on the distal aspect of the radius and the ulna. I'm going to clasp that and stabilize, and then my inferior hand is going to come in here and I'm going to put my fingers very close together so that way I can stabilize the carpal joints. And so if I'm going to do medial to lateral or lateral to medial, I'm going to stabilize one hand or the other. So I'm going to stabilize my radius and ulnar grasping hand, and then I can move medial to lateral glide and then lateral to medial glide. I feel loss of motion, so then I can spring lateral to medial or medial to lateral, and then I can do the same. So I can stabilize the carpal metacarpal joints, and then move the radius and ulna, medial, lateral, lateral to medial. Now for tilt, I'm going to move my fingers apart. So this would be a lateral tilt, and then this would be a medial tilt. So lateral and then medial, and then if I feel loss of springing motion, then I would flex. On this one, I'm going to assess, and then so on her medial tilt, I am going to provide a tilt compression, or I guess a tilt flick, and then come back, reassess. And I do the same thing. So on medial to lateral glide, I would assess, flick, and then come back and reassess and feel that motion has been restored.